मैंने एक लाइन पढ़ी विच सेज दैट एक गरीब का बच्चा अगर इंटेलिजेंट भी है तो वो कुछ ऐसी चीजें करता है कि वो गरीब रहता है, और एक रईस का बच्चा, इफ अ पर्सन इज रिच, अगर वो गधा भी है, इवन इफ ही इज डम, देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स दैट ही डज consciously and unconsciously that keeps him rich.
Fuck the law, fuck the truckers in the car, baby. Have you ever seen a shooting star?
I have been thinking this of late that how where we grow up in our childhood, the environment that we grow up in, whatever our upbringing is, it tends to dictate the behavioral patterns that we exhibit. Whatever behavioral patterns that we demonstrate, and I'm talking about completely from a financial standpoint, it tends to have a huge influence in our life. Now, there is an old saying, एक बहुत पुरानी कहावत है, that बड़ियों के खून में पैसा होता है, या फिर जहाँ न जाए रेलगाड़ी वहाँ पहुँचे मारवाड़ी. So I started thinking about this कि ऐसा लोग क्यों बोलते हैं. Then I started observing patterns in the biggest tycoons that India has. Most of them are Marwadis and Baniyas. सारे बनिया हैं. तो ऐसा क्या वो करते हैं बचपन से that sets them apart. And growing up, I had a lot of friends who were Guptas and the Agarwals and the Baniyas of the world, and I saw a very common thread in each one of them, that all of them were very conscious when it came to money, and they were far better than I ever was. So that got me thinking that there is something different when it comes to money, which these guys do and I don't. So from there, I've been reading books a lot. So I read this book which is called Rich Dad Poor Dad. In this, I read this quote. मैंने एक लाइन पढ़ी which says that एक गरीब का बच्चा अगर इंटेलिजेंट भी है तो वो कुछ ऐसी चीजें करता है कि वो गरीब रहता है, और एक रईस का बच्चा, if a person is rich, अगर वो गधा भी है, even if he is dumb, there are certain things that he does consciously and unconsciously that keeps him rich. Now that thing struck me a lot, and it got related to the lines that I said about a minute back, and it got me thinking कि किस तरीके से हम जिस environment में grow up होते हैं, and हम आसपास बचपन से जो चीजें देख रहे होते हैं उसका हमारी सबकॉन्शियस के ऊपर किस लेवल पे इम्पैक्ट होता है, और हम जैसे ही बड़े होते हैं, whenever we grow old enough, तो हम अपने स्पेंडिंग पैटर्न्स को उसको किस तरीके से डिक्टेट करते हैं. नाउ दिस थिंग आई थिंक a lot of kids or even people who come from lower middle class and middle class background, I think they will resonate with this, that growing up, the moment you discover the concept of money, हम पैसे के concept को जैसे discover करते हैं, and you soon realize that your parents or your family cannot afford certain things, or this thing is beyond their competence and beyond this budget. So instantly it hits you that I can't get this. और आपको इस बात से समझ आता है that life has denied me this thing. It can be clothes, it can be a car, it can be a trip that you wanted to take with your friends. It can be as simple as a goddamn ice cream which you wanted to eat once your school got over, and you went out with your friends and all of your friends were having it and you couldn't. I play squash a lot, and I saw this 23-year-old guy who started discussing stock investments with me. And I saw that his portfolio ran in lakhs. So he told me that this guy has been investing since he was 15 years old. So it got me thinking, यार जब मैं 15 साल का था तो मैं स्टॉक इन्वेस्टिंग की बात क्यों नहीं कर रहा था, मैं स्टॉक इन्वेस्टिंग की बात क्यों नहीं कर रहा था. Cut to when I'm 29, I have realized कि बचपन में जो मेरी दुनिया से ग्लानि थी, दुनिया से मेरा गुस्सा था, या फिर अपने आप से मेरे को था कि वो ये चीजें अफोर्ड करनी है, वो फैंसी लाइफ, वो फैंसी चीजें. And the moment I reached, let's say the age of 22, 23, I started making those mistakes again. I instantly started buying tons of clothes. मैं बहुत सारे कपड़े खरीदने शुरू कर दिए. I bought my first bike at the age of 25. I bought my first big ass. It's a big pickup truck that I bought at the age of 26. No, mind you, those things are not wrong things, right? वो चीजें गलत नहीं है. आपको बहुत बार लाइफ में चीजों की जरूरत, ऑफ कोर्स हर इंसान को गाड़ी की जरूरत होती है, हर इंसान को कपड़े चाहिए होते हैं. I'm not talking about don't do those things, but when you do those things on the expense that I want to show it to the world, that's when all these people, including me, we make those mistakes. That's the reason most of the kids in India still who come from lower middle class and middle class backgrounds don't have the culture of investing. And that's the reason even if when they grow old, they always struggle with money. मतलब एक स्ट्रेंज कॉन्सेप्ट है, स्टॉक मार्केट कोई चीज होती होगी, अच्छा सेंसेक्स लेकिन सारा सेंसेक्स होता क्या है मुझे बताया नहीं। स्कूल में अगर समझा देते, इतने सारे लोग, इतने सारे बच्चे आज के टाइम पे बेटर ऑफ हो जाते हैं। And I read this article recently. There was a concept that I read. It was called urban poverty. What was urban poverty? It's a group of people, mostly millennials, who look rich, who have the best of the cars, but they live paycheck to paycheck. Because of which they are in that debt trap and they have huge amount of credit card bills and they are never able to come out of it.
And I genuinely feel this, that we buy things that we don't need to impress people that we don't like, to create a false sense of happiness which may not matter in the long term. And I read this quote. This quote was allegedly written by Winston Churchill, that from the age of 0 to 20, you think that the entire world is thinking about you. That's the reason you're extremely conscious. You have a very conscious body image. You're maybe making your hair. You're constantly thinking, what should I wear, what should I not wear. Once you reach at the age of 40, you stop caring what the entire world thinks about you. You become nonchalant, आप थोड़े carefree हो जाते हो. And when you reach at the age of 60, you realize that nobody was thinking about you to begin with. So I want to give this message to everybody who may be listening to this video, that stop creating that false sense of equivalence, that false sense of happiness, that buying something which you don't need will give you that sort of happiness. Because इस behavioral pattern को तोड़ना बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है. Because बचपन में आपके साथ कोई चीज नहीं हुई होगी, that is all right. बट आपने अब इस चीज को सीखना है कि किस तरीके से आप अपनी फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन को आज से बेटर कर सकते हैं. दैट मे मीन इन्वेस्टिंग, लर्निंग अबाउट इन्वेस्टिंग, लर्निंग अबाउट द थिंग्स दैट यू डोंट नो. आज के समय में हर चीज, हर टाइप की इंफॉर्मेशन इतनी ज्यादा रेडिली अवेलेबल है. सो बट वो उस पॉइंट में जाएंगे तब जब आप एक दिक्कत अपने अंदर रियलाइज या डिस्कवर करेंगे. फर्स्ट यू नीड टू रियलाइज एंड डिस्कवर दैट देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम, एंड in order to discover that, go in your past, think and remember, बनियों के खून में पैसा हो या ना हो, लेकिन अगर आप आज से कुछ चीजें सही करनी शुरू कर दें, if you start doing certain things right, you can change your financial future and you can become far more confident and you don't need external validation from people to make you happy. So think about it, guys, and if there is anything, any comments, if you want to share any incident that you feel that happened with you, that's why you were doing what you're doing, please share that in the comments. Please like this video, subscribe, share this if you felt that this is your story, and I will see you the next time. Thank you so much. Thank you.